In this module, we will learn about representation of sets. There are two methods of representing a set. 1. Roster or tabular form. 2. Set builder form. First, we will understand the roster form. In the roster form, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within braces. For example, the set of all even positive integers less than 7 is described in roster form as 2, 4, 6. Some more examples of representing a set in roster form are A. The set of all natural numbers which divide 42 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. B. The set of all vowels in the English alphabet is A, E, I, O, U. C. The set of odd natural numbers is represented by 1, 3, 5, dot, dot, and so on. The dots tell us that the list of odd numbers continues indefinitely. Let us now do set builder form. In the set builder form, all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. For example, in the set A, E, I, O, U, all the elements possess a common property, namely, each of them is a vowel in the English alphabet. And no other letter possesses this property. Denoting this set by V, we write V is equal to X, such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. It may be observed that we describe the element of the set by using the symbol X. Any other symbol, like the letters Y, Z, etc. could be used, which is followed by a colon. After the sign of colon, we write the characteristic property possessed by the elements of the set and then enclose the whole description within braces. The above description of the set V is read as the set of all X such that X is a vowel of the English alphabet. In this description, the braces stand for the set of all. The colon stands for such that. For example, the set A is equal to X colon X is a natural number and 3 is less than X less than 10 is read as the set of all X such that X is a natural number and X lies between 3 and 10. Hence, the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the elements of the set A. Now let us take some more examples. Example. Write the solution set of the equation x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. Solution. The given equation can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to 1 minus 2. Therefore, the solution set of the given equation can be written in roster form as 1, minus 2. Let us take another example. Example. Write the set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and so on in set builder form. Solution. We may write the set A as A is equal to x is such that x is the square of a natural number. We can write A is equal to x such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to n.